Welcome to English Quizler. Ready to test your real English level? In today's mixed grammar quiz, every question gets harder. Keep track of your score, and let's see how far you can go. Don't forget to subscribe to us. Good luck.
The contract remains valid until further notice. He spoke from experience rather than theory. The responsibility falls on the legal department. She refused to put up with the harassment any longer. The team must come up with a solution before Monday. His excuse doesn't hold up when examined closely. To toe the line means to follow rules strictly. To cut corners usually means lowering standards. There is little likelihood of success without funding. None of the evidence was deemed admissible. Hardly any participants understood the implications. Each proposal has its own shortcomings. She was elected chair of the committee. He has a deep respect for authority. An unexpected turn of events changed everything. A series of interviews is scheduled next week. More than one candidate has withdrawn already. The majority of the staff were opposed to the change. To obfuscate means to make something unclear or confusing. His argument was logically sound but emotionally weak. She gave an evasive response to the allegations. The decision was made without the board's consent. He remained calm despite intense provocation. The figures differ by a significant margin. He spoke softly so as not to disturb anyone. No sooner had the alarm sounded than people panicked. She performed better than expected under pressure. The ball is in your court means it is your decision. He showed no interest whatsoever in the proposal. There is little justification for such behavior. She objected to being excluded from the discussion. He is renowned for his attention to detail. The report must be submitted by close of business. This solution is preferable to the previous one. Not only the CEO but also the directors were present. He articulated his views with remarkable clarity. Inadvertent actions are unintentional. She had no intention of resigning at that stage. He spoke as though he were addressing a jury. The launch was delayed owing to regulatory constraints.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.